Today, I'll show you how to quickly mute and unmute your microphone in OBS Studio, using both the standard click-to-mute method and a custom hotkey. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to keep your audio under control during live streams, recordings, or remote meetings without missing a beat. This is a super handy skill, especially if you want to avoid any surprise background noise going live to your audience. So let's jump right in and walk through both methods step by step. First up is the quick mute option. When you're in the main OBS Studio window, take a look at the bottom center part of the screen. That's where you'll find the audio mixer panel. This area lists all your active audio sources, and you should see something labeled either mic aux or just microphone, depending on your setup. Now, right next to the volume slider for your mic input, you'll notice a small speaker icon. To instantly mute your microphone, all you need to do is click on this icon. OBS gives you a clear visual indicator. The icon will change and display a red X. That tells you your mic is muted, and your viewers won't hear anything you say until you turn it back on. It's simple, direct, and especially useful if you want to temporarily silence your mic, say if the phone rings or your dog decides to join the broadcast. If you want to go live again, just click the speaker icon once more, and the red X disappears. That's your confirmation that your mic is now active again. Keep in mind, sometimes people miss that the icon has changed, so always double-check before jumping back into your recording or stream. Now, let's talk about the hotkey method, which is ideal if you want even faster control or if you'd rather not reach for your mouse while you're presenting or gaming. Here's how you set up a hotkey for toggling your microphone mute in OBS Studio. First, head to the Settings button. You'll find this at the bottom right of the OBS window. Click there, and a new window pops up. Look for the Hotkeys tab along the left side and select it. This is where you can customize keyboard shortcuts for tons of actions in OBS. To make things faster, you can use the search bar at the top. Just type in mute, and OBS will filter the options for you. Alternatively, scroll down until you find the Mic Auxiliary Audio section. That'll show your microphone input. Here, you should see listings for both mute and unmute. Next, click in the boxes next to these options and assign a key on your keyboard. For example, something easy to remember like the M key, or maybe a function key you never use for anything else. If you use the same key for both the mute and unmute actions, OBS treats it as a toggle. Press once to mute, press again to unmute. Once you've chosen your hotkey, make sure to hit apply, then OK at the bottom to save your settings. Just like that, you've set up instant mute control, no matter what window you have open. This can be a lifesaver if you need to respond quickly during a stream or hush your mic while multitasking. Remember, with both methods, give yourself a moment to get comfortable. Practice muting and unmuting so you don't get caught by surprise mid-show. And don't worry if you need to repeat the steps a couple times as you get used to the workflow. Everyone does it first. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more OBS tips and tricks. Have questions or want to share your own audio setup? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you're working on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.